So I had this ugly drawer for like 10 years, and instead of spending money buying a new one, I figure I can just paint it so it'll seem like a new piece of furniture. At first I thought spray painting was very therapeutic, and I was thinking, graffiti people, I get you guys. But then I inhaled a ton of spray paint fume and was getting dizzy, so after 30 minutes I finally grabbed a mask. This is what it looks like before. This is what it looks like after. Oh, that matte black. So sexy. But when I open and close the drawers, it does scratch a little bit. And the sides look hideous because I ran out of spray paint near the end. For the small scratches, I just took a Sharpie and colored over it. And then I put tape over it so it doesn't scratch every time I open and close. Are you cold?
Yeah, his nipples are protruding.
Oh.
I'm trying to stay away from Woodrow. This is totally 6 feet.
Why did you get closer? Made him snakes out so he could get further away from you.
Don't do this at home, guys. This is bad. This is us stalkers telling people not to do stuff.
But I did take time off in January though. I'm gonna take pretty much the entire month off.
Nice. You wanna come walk with them?
No.
It's not really a vacation.
Only if you give him like an anti-diarrhea medicine.
Oh god. He doesn't poop that much.
Not when I'm around.
No, then he just feels more relaxed around you. He doesn't poop around like dog walkers. He gets really nervous around them sometimes. And they text me and they're like, Woodrow didn't poop today, but the walk was great.
Yeah,
I just think about Jeff.
Woodrow pooped and the walk was not great.
Yeah, it's fine. Just keep him on the ground. Weekends for people that have pets, ladies and gentlemen. So I had my fair share of challenges with being a dog owner. But one of the ongoing challenges I have is clipping Woodrow's nails.
Good boy.
And this time, it almost caused a corneal abrasion.
He likes safety goggles.
What donut do you want? Go for it. Those will be right out, okay? Thank you.
Are we gonna eat each one at a time?
Yeah. Donut share?
Cheers. This one's jelly donut.
What if your family made jam? Like it's like a family business and you have to take over. Would you be happy with that?
Definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
But what if you wanted to like be a pilot or something?
I don't know, if I had like my parents had a successful jam making thing, that's pretty cool.
This is the Hava honey pistachio cream donut. Mmm.
Wow, I can't believe you just cut that with like the dirtiest jelly knife.
Oh, calm yourself.
Oh my goodness. We're not gonna get the full taste.
Yes, you will. Here, I'll let you have more cream filling this time. I'm so nice.
Thank you for letting me have the things that I bought. Okay, top 3. 3, 2, 1.
Go buy the donuts?
Yeah, ranking the donuts.
Wow.
I already have mine.
I mean, this is obviously one.
Number 1, yeah.
I actually like the jelly one. But
What's number 2?
I like the eggnog outside flavor. and the jelly inside.
Would your ultimate donut be eggnog outside, jelly inside? That doesn't sound bad, actually. It was so good.
Look, it's like restarting because we suck so much.
So I got a new game on my Switch called Destroy Bots. It's really hard and addicting.
No! Oh my god!
So close. Oh, I like how you back into the corner and you yell on me. Like, help! Yeah! This was hard.
Why do you think that?
It only took 5 weekends to beat level 2.
Oh, that now. Oh my god. I'm gonna die immediately. Yeah, died immediately.
I died immediately.
You know, I kind of miss like us hanging out and just traveling and having a reason to like get dolled up. Like, why do people still care about how they look?
Okay, honestly, this year I had 2 outfits, sweats and scrubs. While FaceTiming my bestie, she reminded me that self-care, even if you have no one to impress, nowhere to go, or no parties to attend, can make you feel really fabulous. I decided to curl my hair on a Saturday night because Jessie got a new haircut and wanted to show it off. Then, the following week, a northeastern storm hit Boston. And while it's always so much fun playing in the snow, but getting rid of the snow in the city is difficult AF. So, the weather network predicted it would be like 8 to 10 inches. Well, it's way more than 8 to 10 inches because it's up to my knees. I'm not sure how I'm gonna get to work today because the lady where I rent from for parking, the driveway is completely not plowed, and the street plow that came and just plowed all the snow onto the driveway. So at some point I probably should text my manager. The plow finally came and I was able to get to work. Finally, it was my birthday. We made some chocolate cupcakes. I actually don't find baking relaxing at all, but thank goodness I have friends that love to bake, and I just happen to love to eat, so it works out great. This is Jeffrey, a man with many talents, ladies and gentlemen. By day, he's a doctor. By night, he freelances as a bartender. He's not bad, he has a nice pad, and he's a proud cat dad.
Is there like a lemon squeezer?
Do you have one?
I think so. Sorry. Oh, should I wear goggles?
Oh,
I'm gonna hit my eye.
No.
This drink is called Blackberry French 75. It's blackberry simple syrup, gin, lemon, and champagne. I never really paid much attention to my birthday because I have always just been studying for finals or living in the shadows of the holiday season. But this time I had a very special birthday.
Whoa!
I have been talking about hitting up all the national parks and vlogging my journey for a while now. Jessie got me this camera backpack filled with my favorite snacks and a matching Hydro Flask bottle and an awesome stack of national park stickers. The point of the stickers is to stick them on the bottle after exploring each park. Vin got me Baby Yoda, Jeff got me a hipster llama painting, and Ani sent me a gift card from New York. I hope wherever you are, your day is going as well and magical as mine. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!